Yeah, hello everyone, Clinton here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can actually use your Canva to make a QR code which you can actually input into your project or something like that. You know, like if you ever like you're making a project, like you're creating a book and you're trying to like um, add some unique stuff into your project. Just bear in mind that for this stuff, you're gonna be making use of absolutely um, free Canva. You don't need the pro version for this. You just need a free version. Okay, guys, without wasting much time, let's just go into this. Let's just go into this. Okay, I'm just gonna stop here and I'm just gonna go ahead and take you guys into this. So all you have to do is to come over to your Canva. So let's assume you have like a project here. Like from here I'm trying to like make the notebook. I'm trying to make a notebook from this part, and as you can see I have my pages, and this is like free template that you can actually use to create what do you call this, notebooks, and that you can actually like make it up to like 100 pages or 50 pages, and then you can actually produce the hardcover back, and you can actually sell it online and people actually buy it. So you can actually check out the free you can use this as the front page, and you can just like be creative. Like you don't need a pro account for this. So as you can see guys, from here now on the last page it's just blank. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and just insert the QR code. All you have to do is to come over to this part and you're gonna click on more, and from this place you're gonna see QR code. You can click that, and from here you can see, okay, I already have this URL imputed already, so I can just go ahead and customize this. And as you can see, I can either just use the background color or the foreground color, and the margin it's on 2. Like this is how the spaces are on the 4 corners of this preview section here. You can see it just right here. So I can just leave this on 2 or 1 is okay. 2 is okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. You're gonna have to put your link, your URL here, and then you click on generate. Once you click on generate, automatically it's going to impute it into your page that you're working on. So how to go about this to make it look more presentable is that you can actually hold your alternate and pick one edge while holding alternate, so that you can actually resize the whole corner of this. Or if you don't hold the alternate, this is how it's gonna go. It's gonna like go from one edge and it's gonna go back. Undo that action and hold alternate, and as you can see, all the 4 edges are just gonna be moving at the same time consecutively. Okay, once I've gotten the size I really want, I'm gonna go ahead and like try to put it at the center bottom of my work, and I can actually just go and put in some text. Like let's say I can put something like pre-order more books, something like this. And I can actually go, okay, I can actually go here and I can increase this part so that it goes all the way like this, and I can actually like make it a little bit small and bring it over to this part, and I can actually like reduce the font of this so that it looks more presentable. And I can go ahead and just add another part that says scan QR. Then yep, that's okay. I can actually reduce this. Okay, yeah, this now looks more presentable. So I can actually like highlight, sorry, I'm gonna go back. I can actually like highlight these two, so I can move them simultaneously, and I can just bring it down to this part, or I can actually like hold alternate and reduce the whole thing all together, and drag them down here. And yeah, This is just how it's going to look like at the end of your page, and you can actually just scan this and it's going to send you straight into the link. All right guys, so this is going to be everything about this tutorial. Hope you find it helpful. Note, this is going to be on any Canva free account. You don't need the pro for this. Okay guys, if you find this helpful, you can go ahead, give the video a like, drop a comment in the comment section. Actually, you can be using this, like I said, you can actually be using this to make money. You can actually just go ahead and make pages, and you can print them out, and you can actually just sell them, and people actually buy it depending on how stylish your book is or how attractive it's looking. You know, people like stationaries and stuff like that. Okay guys, see you guys in the next one. Have a nice day.